through the process of how to add groups and assign assets to said group on MyGeotab. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Groups and Rules tab on the left-hand side panel and click on Groups. From there, we see the built-in groups and the groups. The built-in groups are automatically created on the system. The groups is where you can add your own additional groups. So to add a group, simply click on the plus sign at the bottom over here, give your group a name, and then select the color for the group. Once you've done that, click Save. And now you can also add additional groups to the group that you've made. These are called subgroups. Now, an important note to make. If you were to create a group here under Region, this new group over here will only see what's after it, but it won't see the groups before it. Now, to add assets to the group, simply go to Assets, select the asset that you want to add to the group that you've just made, and go to Groups and select that group that you want to add this asset to. Once you've done that, click Save on the top of the page. And that is the process of adding groups and assigning assets to said group on MyGeotab.